In front of me is a Realme 6S, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD into the device. So before we begin, we'll need the SIM eject tool. It comes provided in the back, so you can find it somewhere in there. And once you have it, just pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see right here. And once you take it out, you have space for 2 SD cards or 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. And place them accordingly, as I just did. Also make sure that they're laying flush, and from there simply put it back into the device. And we should now have a pin, there we go, for the SIM card. So let's confirm with that. And there we go, so the SIM card is working. And let's look at the SD. And there we go, there's the SD card as well. So, as you can see, both of them are working just fine. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.